John Von Harley Davidson created it. The parallel twin. Pulled over.
I wonder if I can see.
I went to trade school, bro. We bless the rains in Ohio.
Not right now.
Nope, not yet. But soon. Rolling right into the heart of the beast.
Episode of investigative journalism.
Yeah, we're boots on the ground for Ohio now. We gotta really get into what's going on out there. Do some research.
Show our support to East Palestine.
That's right. All the towns that no one's ever heard of.
That's the cloud right there.
Dude. That's a cloud.
I mean, yeah, sure.
Is it the cloud?
I mean, it looks like it.
It could be.
Yeah. It's dark.
It's darker than all. There aren't any clouds in the sky. Or is it a mountain? Is that the mountain? Is that the Ohio mountain range?
Oh, yeah. You might be right.
Is that something that we need to be concerned about? We still gotta get. We're in New York. We gotta get through all of New York.
We're a good 500 miles away.
At least.
Art is hard.
Art is whatever you make it, dude. Right now, our art is leaking gas and stinking up the van. That's what it's been doing. Tony's getting crushed back there with fumes.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
It's putting him to sleep.
Yeah, you were out.
Yeah, go back to sleep, I'll be fine.
Yeah, we gotta pick up a canary, dude, so we don't die out here.
You know the term canary in a coal mine?
Yeah.
A chicken in East Palestine.
Whoa.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Damn. You want to gas her up, and I'll take a poopy?
Yeah, I can do
I'll take
that.
a little poopy poop. Oh, I hate this. I hate this one so much.
Oh, this is this fucking gas
yeah,
station?
this is the worst one.
What's going on?
Pulled over.
I wonder if I can see. Oh, I can see.
Going 83.
You're huffing down those cough drops. You don't wonder you're fucking speeding.
That's
right?
why you think that's the reason I'm speeding.
All hyped up on cough drops.
All right. Okay.
Just oop them. Just start ooping them.
Yeah, everybody go to throttlauction.com. Click the link above me and in the description. Go there, buy your hardtails, buy your sissy bars, buy your gas tanks, buy your whole Sportster kits. Hardtail, everything that has shocks, because who the hell wants shocks? All right? Throttlauction.com, baby. Go there, get it. Go to Shop Cult, get on the forums, type all your stuff up, tell everybody your secrets. Shout out to Lisa. Throttlauction.com. Bro, the rig goes faster than 83, all right? I just didn't want to do it. You know what I mean?
I didn't know you were such a speed racer.
Bro, I live fast and furious. I drive like Diesel.
I love that about you.
Uncle Vin.
Uncle Vin.
Uncle Vinny. Yeah, New York got us finally.
Tony, you got your seatbelt on?
Yeah, right here.
All right, good.
Oh shit, where's that ratchet?
Hopefully he doesn't say anything.
If he doesn't look back
You
there.
can't see me. I'm
Yeah.
fucking ducking down.
All right. What do you expect?
I don't know.
He's a cop in upstate New
He's
York.
wearing a purple tie.
That's cool. I mean, maybe he won't give me a ticket.
I'm hoping. He seems nice.
We're not staying in your state very long.
Yeah, how much longer do we got left?
Should I ask him about the cloud in Ohio? Should I? I
Oh,
was
there's
gonna be
horses.
like, there's what?
There's horses over
Oh, I
here.
thought you said mooses.
I just caught a horse laying down, and now he's rolling. Wow.
So majestic.
It's awesome, actually. Look at him go. He's rolling on his back.
Where are you seeing
I don't think I've ever
this?
seen a horse do
yeah.
that.
Yeah, they root around a bit. Dude.
Dude, you get so weird around cops. It's so strange, dude.
I hate talking to them.
I can tell.
I get
can
nervous.
tell you get all weird.
I get flustered. I do.
I'm like the opposite.
They can arrest you.
It's true. They can honestly do whatever they want.
They can. I had the feeling that it was going to happen, to be honest with you.
Did you?
Yeah, and a speed trap thing came up.
Oh shit. Really?
And
He had the warning.
I like didn't ignore it, but I was like, you know, I mean, everybody's going 80.
No.
That's the problem.
You were passing people.
Yeah, that's why there's 2 lanes.
Okay, you're right. Well, he sees your record and he's like, dude.
That stuff's not there anymore.
Well, you said that before.
In New York?
I don't think
they don't share information like that.
No. Why do you think he's going to arrest you?
I don't think he's gonna arrest me.
Okay.
He's definitely writing me a ticket,
Yeah,
which is great. That's great news. Unless it's like a full-blown warning.
They still have to write that out, so maybe ornery horse.
Is it like rootin'? It's a weird little mini
Yeah.
So we're gonna cut you
you guys a break on the speed, okay?
I appreciate it.
So instead, technically in New York, anything hanging from your rearview mirror is considered an obstruction of view.
Oh,
So, you know, I'm not pulling you over for that.
Okay.
But I pulled you over for speed. But just notice that while you know, initiating my stop.
Okay.
So instead of speed, I'm going to issue a ticket for that. It's a non-moving violation, just a small fine.
Thanks a lot, Rolling Death.
It is a distraction, dude. I look at it a lot.
All right, let's keep going.
Go 80. We gotta make up. I gotta make up for lost time.
You gotta go faster. You got a first timer here.
Dude, it's this fucking piece of shit spot, dude. I can't park in here. We are in the fucking we are at the Chick-fil-A in Chickawaga. How do you say it?
Chiquitaga?
Chickawataga. Where the sweet tea's a little sweeter.
Tony!
Hell yeah.
Chickawataga Chick-fil-A, dude. That's what I've always wanted. Oh, how the tables have turned. What do you got? Leg lock, dude. I gotta pause this. How the tables have turned, Steven.
How's it feel?
How the power that I wield now
It really isn't.
to document all the things that you're doing.
290 miles.
290 miles. TT's been doing his thing back there. Cinematic. No plume in sight. Maybe that, I mean, that all might be the plume, who knows? You feel like you're sick?
I feel like getting
Yeah, we ate that, well, that's probably that gas station meat. Great Lakes smoked meats. Pineapple teriyaki smokies.
We finally made it.
We made it to Milwaukee. Shh. We're downstairs and Weems is upstairs sleeping. Okay. He let the foxes in the hen house.
The servants are in the main quarters.
Yeah, 100%. 100%. Yeah, Weems decided that it would be a good idea to split the Airbnb with us. This place is very nice, Greg. It's got a globe and a library. I can't read. Okay? And there are real books here. Books that we could probably sell on eBay. Oh yeah, dude.
Smile, guys. There we go. That's what I needed. Where's John?
Bro, we made it, Milwaukee!
It's not that bad. Shut up.
Take these drugs.
Let's go.
All right, ready?
Are you good? All right.
Good to go. There's enough guys around, right? I can pass the handlebars off.
You're not gonna scratch shit.
Yeah, exactly.
Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Hello, world.
That's what we want right here. Tell us how you're feeling. What are you thinking?
Tell the public how you're feeling.
It's just another slippery and wet Friday. Same way I like all my Fridays.
Slippery and wet?
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need a couple hands if that's cool.
A lot of wandering fingers in this van.
Preload. This is the preload.
Preload.
We're setting the preload
That's it, man.
right now. We're setting it.
I'm the new guy at Eazy Company. This is our 1937 Sportster.
You nailed it. You're getting
yeah.
all the right specifications that we need.
What did you actually do on this bike?
Somebody else.
I mean,
I bought it.
Like,
All I had to do was pay for it, dude. When Daddy gives you the credit card,
Oh, yeah.
you buy knuckleheads. All right. When your father's like, "Hey, we're rich,"
yeah.
go ahead. You go, "Hey, man, I need you to build me a bike, but don't tell anybody you built it for me. I need to say I did it."
Right.
You know, because I need the ego boost. Yeah, the Lambos weren't cutting it anymore.
Oh, they never do.
They really
do.
never do, man. You know,
Yeah.
you drive one, you drive them all.
That's it.
That's what I say.
Total emptiness.
That's what I say, dude. Finally. Hey.
Do you want me to go back up? Will that help you?
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
You know,
I'm not building a hotel.
You're everyone in, please.
Now you want friends.
no, whoever's going up, let's go with the bike.
All right,
Whoever's going
okay.
with the bike.
Come.
Greg's, John's a math wizard.
I've done mathematics once or twice.
Add and subtract shit.
I did go to trade school,
You know.
so whatever that means.
So you just do the math from there, and
I went to trade school, bro. There he is. Comfortable and will survive.
Oh God! Oh God!
Dude, chill out.
Look at the lady in there watching. Look at the lady in there watching. She's all concerned about it.
We're gonna get some free stuff.
Hey, these are good.
We're gonna definitely get some free stuff out of this. Out of Greg.
I could eat any. You could put sugar on dog shit and I'd eat it right now. I'm so hungry.
Well, let's get you some Milwaukee's finest HG Museum food. Let's do this, guys. We made it to the museum. This is what we came here for. 1903, the first Harley Davidson was invented in a shed. They have the shed here. It's no big deal. All right. John Von Harley Davidson created it. The parallel twin, the V-twin. They were bicycles back then with motors.
Oh.
Right.
Oh.
Right. The wheels are made of leather. Oh. Their teeth are made of wool. Samson Simpson is here. They knew we were coming.
You fucking piece of shit.
Nailed it. Nailed it. About to cover all. Going hunting. That's right.
Going hunting at the Harley Museum.
I got about 3 hours before I hit the duck line. All right, I got about 3 hours before I hit the duck line, okay? There's the shed. I told you they had it. Guys, the bar's right there. He's hurt. No, it's not him. Oh, is it? It's mine. He's trying to take my glory. He's trying to take my valor. He's stealing my hurt valor.
Genuinely. You're being a good boy. Yeah.
Stealing my hurt valor.
We're back. We're back on the road, guys. You know, whatever. Silent investor. It's not a big deal. Now we're in Milwaukee. Greg fucked his knee up because he's retarded. He's a retarded person.
That happens.
If anyone in the media didn't know, Greg is a retarded person. Okay, so you don't have to feel bad for him anymore. You don't have to feel bad, guys. To everyone out there, you don't have to feel bad anymore. We're letting it. We're shedding a little light on it. Greg is a retard. It's okay. It's not. It's all right. You don't have to feel bad. Tim is just a fucking pussy, so don't feel bad either way.
Sam.
Get it, Greg.
You gotta hop on.
Wheelie around, go.
Give him a wheelie.
Now, too much weight in the front.
That's a crazy, crazy look.
Oh, dude.
Hold on.
There. Huh? Hold on.
This is everything they dreamed of. Right here. Builder. I've created.
Ours, Tim. You weigh a little bit, huh?
He was calling you fat. Call my boy fat, dude.
He's retarded.
Yeah, you know that's why he has wheels. That's why he has wheels. So awful. Damn. Jesus. Jeez, Tony. All right, all the viewers out there. Tony is also a retarded person. Just kidding.
Get that tongue off. How are you gonna say that?
Get that tongue off me.
Get that tongue on you. And 2 millivolts.
That was a coffee shop.
Yeah, me too.
They have coffee right now.
Hey!
I'm just checking.
It's there.
I almost didn't see you.
It's there.
I almost didn't see
I'm
you.
gonna hit the blind in about 20 minutes.
Red Bull? It's going quail hunting.
Yeah. I do. I want to stuff
But it isn't-
my belly button lit in his mouth till he sissy eggs.
All this happens, then I get every motherfucker coming up to me and go, ooh,
No.
I saw you on YouTube talking shit
No,
again.
the-
I saw you on YouTube
no,
pissing your
the
pants.
best-
I saw you on YouTube being a fucking
The
asshole.
best part of editing is
You
that
know, I
he's
saw
gonna
you on
bring us
YouTube.
something super cool.
I saw you on YouTube
At the end
racially
of this-
slurring a
at
kid
the
in
end of this,
Wisconsin.
When Craig edits it, we're gonna be like talking about fucking off child.
You guys have burned your bridges with me, and no, I'm not selling anything that I have at my house to you. What always happens is he manipulates me, and then I have to give it to him, and then I'm fucking pissed. And then I'm pissed because you manipulate me. He's a very manipulative person. All right, that's what he'll do. He'll manipulate you. He will manipulate you.
No.
He'll manipulate
I've never
you.
done that. I've never done that.
I'm just gonna swing to your house and take that panhead motor off the bench.
We paid you for that.
I know, and I love you, and I'll do it anytime you want to, dude.
It's not
This is
fucking
what
great.
John does to me.
Bro, this is gold.
This is not gold, dude.
This is gold.
Charlie, this is a
This
racist
is not
Charlie.
gold, dude. All these little kids are looking at you. They know that's you.
The camera puts on 20 pounds of ignorance. You know what I'm saying, dude? You know what I'm talking about, baby? Don't not dap me up. You know what I mean, dude? Don't not dap me up.
I can do
I'll
as
beat
many.
you in push-ups right now.
I can do as many.
I'll beat you.
I will watch this right
I'll
now.
take that bet.
How much?
I'll bet your knucklehead on it.
I'm pretty out of shape.
I'll bet your knucklehead, dude. I got 50.
like betting
I got 50 right now. Let's do it. What do you want to do? Yeah. I will right now, I promise. I bet you right now.
Black one?
Hold on. No claps in between.
Behind the
Hold
back?
on.
Is it
Hold
behind
on.
the back?
Let's get a more.
We're talking about behind
no, not a who
What are
you
we
behind
saying here? I
Let's-
don't know. I
let's-
do push-ups different than you.
Let's do more of a realistic.
I do different push-ups than you. Let me talk. Okay.
Let's do more of a realistic wager. I'll bet those overalls on it.
You want these ones?
I do.
They don't fit you, dude.
They're too big.
They don't fit you, dude.
I'll bet.
These
hold
are
on.
big dogs.
I know.
You know?
I will
Is he
bet.
Fisher Price? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, the face. The face. He looks like a Karen with a left hand.
You know what I'm saying? Right?
John is at the bar, shit-faced, with his shirt off. John is shit-faced. Look at that ass crack. Yeah, that right there. Look at that ass crack right there. That's for all the viewers. That's for all the subscribers. All you guys want to waste your fucking money on something? Waste your money on that asshole. All right?
Yeah. All right. I'll take it. Good. Yeah, we did it. I might die. Arthur. Clouded glass everywhere. All right, that's it. Mama tried. It almost fucking killed me. But we did it. What is this video of, Craig?
I really don't know how to describe it.
All right, well, hey.
It's not much of anything about Mama Tried.
We were there, though.
Yeah,
we
sure.
were there. We did it. Andy Cam was there.
Andy Cam.
Okay, he was there. That's cool. So, whatever. Shout out to anybody that was at Bad Moon Saloon.
Yeah, hell
all
yeah.
right. If you saw me at peak performance. Okay?
You've seen it in this video,
You
too.
saw me at peak it was me at peak performance. I was solving high valued math equations. I was doing a lot of cool things. All right. Thank you, Bad Moon Saloon, for allowing me to stay in that building for as long as I did. We did it. We made it back in one piece. We have a lung infection because of it.
Still.
No, it's fine now. I'm eating Halls. It's good.
Okay.
But I think we did it. I think we did all right.
Okay, great.
Right?
I feel like we had a great time.
Did we have a great time?
Maybe.
Hey.
I had a good time.
We had something.
I don't know about you.
The show was cool.
It was
Thanks.
very cool.
Everybody, we met all those people. Everybody that came up to our booth, thank you. We appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
It's great. I don't like this. I don't like that. We appreciate it. All that's left to do is like and subscribe.
Please like and
All
subscribe.
that's left to do is like and subscribe to the channel, like and subscribe to life, live and subscribe, love and subscribe, okay? Come to Mama Tried next year. Go to all the bike shows. Go to every single one. If you go to every single bike show that happens in this country, we'll give you a t-shirt.
That's not happening.
All right? We'll give you one
anyways,
t-shirt. All right? Do it. Go to
It's
every
not
single bike
happening.
show. If there's a bike show in your area, go to it. Support it. Ride your bike there. Put your bike in it. If they don't want your bike in it, put it outside of it. All right? And then talk about it to people on the inside.
Okay.
All right? Do that. Be about it. Go to bike shows. Go to swap meets. Have fun. Go to the local bars. Support them.
Support your local bar.
Support your local bar.
That's for sure.
Okay? Like and subscribe. Merch.
Coming soon.
We have it. Is it up?
No.
Merch will be up in the store soon. Kicker pedals. We have some left. Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. What else do we have? Patreon.
YouTube.
YouTube. Like and subscribe. All right, go there. Do it. Get after it. We're staying local for a little while.
Yeah,
we're
need it.
staying local for a little bit. Okay. We're not going very far away from home for right now. Okay. That's just what's gonna happen. Like and subscribe to the channel.
Oh my God.
Like and subscribe.
You're the fucking.
All right.
Okay.
What do you think, Craig?
I think everyone should like and subscribe.
Andy Cam?
Like and subscribe.
That's
Hell
right.
yeah.
Drink energy drinks.
Skittles ones.
Bye-bye.